Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catanica. Today we have another copy, Chinese copy of FAB padlock from Czech Republic. This one is exact copy of FAB padlock. It's very well executed. Chromed pins, full brass cylinder, iron body, exactly the same color, exactly the same shackle. Everything is the same except the difference is this huge hardened which is engraved. I don't know if original have it or not, but all in all it's pretty good basic security padlock, but very easy to pick because all the pins are standard and it doesn't provide much security at all, but it's locksmith rekeyable. Here is the hole for rekeying, so the lock could be disassembled. Not in the regular way, there is no screw in this hole, but it is rekeyable for sure, and you could put spool pins inside if you have them, if you want. So this lock could be increased, the security of the lock could be increased by adding some security pins. So the bitting is nothing special. It will be very easy to rake this lock open. I'm going to use this wave rake and tension wrench made out of windshield wiper. So let's see. Here it is. We have it open. So it's pretty much it. Without security pins, this lock is really susceptible to raking and it doesn't provide any security at all. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.